Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Today we are learning a dua very important. This dua is more effective in order to protect our eyes. So our eyes are completely protected from all types of diseases and illness, and also from all type of bad looking and from all type of evils or sinful act of the eyes. So we are completely saved, and even this safety, it continues until our death. When we continue to recite this dua in the morning and evening, inshallah. And the other best thing, that any person who is our enemy, who has disturbed us too much, who has tortured us, so that type of enemy, is Allah revenged that enemy before our eyes. We can see that person under trouble who made us in trouble. So this is Allah's special blessings when we recite this dua. That person who has tortured us, that will be tortured, and Allah's punishment will be seen with our own eyes. And also, if we are in trouble anywhere, any person who is enemy trying to do something against us, Allah's help will be before our thinking, and we will be saved, inshallah. So this is the blessings of Allah. If we continue to recite this dua in the morning and in the evening, inshallah, we will be saved completely and fully. And this dua is also in Hadith book Tirmidhi. We have to recite this dua. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajim. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. Allahumma matteni bi basari waj'alhul waritha minni wa arini fil aduwi sari wansurni ala min zalamani. Allahumma matteni bi basari waj'alhul waritha minni wa arini fil aduwi sari wansurni ala min zalamani. Allahumma matteni bi basari waj'alhul waritha minni wa arini fil aduwi thari wansurni ala min zalamani. Allahumma, O Allah, matteni, grant me, bi basari, the benefit with my eyesight. Allahumma matteni bi basari, O Allah, grant me benefit from my eyesight. Waj'al hulwaritha minni, and maintain it until my death. So it should be waris, mean like it should protect me to keep on seeing those things for which you are happy. So I should not be able to see those things which are forbidden in Sharia. So I should see those things with my eyes which you like for my eyes to see. So mashallah. Wa arini fil aduwi sari, and give me power over my enemies. Wansurni, and help me, ala min zalamani, against those who oppress me. Allahumma matteni bi basari waj'alhul waritha minni wa arini fil aduwi thari wansurni ala min zalamani. O Allah, grant me benefit from my eyesight and maintain it until my death, and give me power over my enemies and help me against those who oppress me. MashaAllah, you will get special power from Allah at the time when you will be in difficult situation and some attack of enemy. That time you will find unseen help of Allah as quick you can't imagine. Try to recite this dua in morning and evening. Inshallah, Allah's help will be with us and our eyes will be protected. Our life in this world and the life hereafter will be better. Allah give us tawfiq. Ameen.